Yeah, dog. That was nice. Good entrance,
Hell
man.
yeah.
Says, Mom says, damn, Matt, play that thing.
I know, Ma. It's that Mindy Abear. For those of y'all that don't know, Mindy Abear has a custom mouthpiece by Theo Wani. It's freaking awesome. Go buy it.
Oh, awesome, bro. Fuck yeah.
Hell
Copyright infringement.
yeah. No, promoting the good brand.
There's nothing wrong
Let's
with
go
that.
ahead and say it right.
Awesome, guys. That was cool, man. Good entrance, man.
All right. This next one we got is called Put the Hatred Away. I hope y'all enjoy. All this constant negativity trying to come and surround me. Do not come round the likes of me. I don't need you today. Knock, knock, knocking on my door. I don't need you around here no more. Necesito solo mi amor, man. We're gonna be that way. Yeah. Now put the hatred away. I don't care what they say anyway. I'm gonna be just fine, cause I got my lion pride. Now put the hatred away. Well, put the hatred away. No matter how they try, I'll always ask them why. Why they have to be this way, man. The hatred is not the way. We have to lift up to grow. Being kind doesn't make you below. It shows you have a kind heart. So don't let the hatred stop. Hatred is so much like cancer. Once it starts, it grows much faster. Be the master of your own mind. Anyone that brings you down isn't happy with themselves somehow. Finally a showdown, time to throw down. You will be just fine. Yeah, put the hatred away. I don't care what they say anyway. I'm gonna be just fine, cause I got my lion pride. Now put the hatred away. Put the hatred away. Put the hatred away. I don't care what they say anyway. I'm gonna be just fine, cause I got my lion pride. Put the hatred away. Put the hatred away. If you can't tell, that's a new one.
It's awesome, bro. That's a cool tune, man.
It's not completely in the pocket, but it's fun.
Yeah, they're good stuff, bro. Sounds great, man.
course.
It's all about having fun, man. It's all about
Always,
fun.
Always. All right, this next one we got is called Do What You Do. So, you know, got to be positive, got to keep going. At the end of the day, you know, you just got to do what you got to do.
Awesome, guys. Hell yeah.
So just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know you're trying to. I said just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know we'll make it too. Well, I see all this poverty, and I know how sad that it makes me to see the people on the street. Lord knows they just want something to eat. Man, I'm praying to you. Oh, God, please do just what you do, 'cause I know that we can end this. And in your name, we will bring them justice. So do what you do, alright, yeah. I know you're trying to. I said just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know we'll make it too. Now I'm down here on my knees, and I'm begging you, please shed some light onto me. Please let this whole world see your love. Whoa, feel this grace above, yeah. Sing it with me now. So just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know you're trying to. I said just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know we'll make it too. And I'm begging you, please. 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 Shake your love with me. Oh, yeah. Just let this whole world see. Oh, nah, nah. So just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know you're trying to. Well, I said just do what you do, alright, yeah. I know we'll make it too.
You gotta do what you do, bro. You gotta do what you do.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds good, guys.
I appreciate it, brother. It sounds really good in here, too.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, man.
I wish I could be in there with you.
Well, you're hearing what I'm hearing. Nasty. Whew.
It's getting nasty here.
So, being in here, it's kind of like a vacation to us, or at least it is to me. Speaking of vacations, this next song is called Get Away.
Segways, really.
Segway is getting away from a
Oh, yeah. That was pretty clever, bro.
I thought it was.
It was.
I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. get the feeling, and I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Oh, why? I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Oh, why? Far away is where I wanna stay. Listen to the music that I wanna play. So far away, so far away. Wishing to be anywhere but here today, man. It's almost over another day. So far away, so far away. I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Oh, why? I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Oh, why? Finally, I'm here on a beach at last. Smoke a little tree fruity, drink in my glass, free feeling. Whoa, free feeling. And I watch the sunset so beautiful. My mind is relaxed, so tropical, free feeling. Oh, free feeling. And I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. I hope you're clapping at home. And I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Whoa, why? And I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Whoa, why? And I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Oh, why? And I want to get away, away to that special place and go get high. Ooh. Do you feel relaxed yet?
Yeah, man. Kayla said, clap, clap, clap. She's clapping with you.
Yay!
John Barfield, he says, smoke that devil's lettuce.
Pinche Barfield.
Bad influence.
I know, Barfield's a bad influence. Don't listen to Barfield.
Smoke that good lettuce.
That was painfully white. Painfully white.
The God's lettuce.
All right, so this next one we got for you is called Cosmic Waves. It's an instrumental. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a little long, so just vibe out and get lost. That's the point.
Yeah,
That's
guys.
what I'm talking about.
So, let's see, where are we at? So, Brittany said the jazz cabbage when we were talking about God's lettuce. John said the reggae asparagus.
Reggae asparagus.
Homie on the sixth string. Homie on the sixth string, though. Julia said she wants to sing in Uncle Matt's band, and we'll have a small drum set. Not a big
I
one.
love you, Julie.
Paula Ursary sounds fantastic. Skags 4588. Your Matt, your Uncle Ron is listening and said congrats on your great
Hey.
sound.
I love you, Uncle Ron. It's been a minute.
Donna Herrera. Wow, y'all sound awesome.
Oh man.
Awesome, guys. Thank you for
So
watching.
much love. Thank you guys so
It's
much.
a
for chiming in.
pleasure for y'all to share your Saturday evening with us, man. If you like what you hear, just hit that subscribe button, guys. You know,
It's down there.
show us some love. Show us some love. Subscribe to our channel. Help us grow. We're growing along with these bands. We are barely new to what we do. We're 5 months old, guys. Help us out. Show us some love. We have music 7 days a week here, guys. 7 days a week. 3 bands today. You're the
And
third
for
band
those
today.
fans that are out there listening, book you a time spot. This place is freaking awesome. Am I right, guys?
Duh and
Am I
hola.
right?
Haven't? You're missing out.
Yeah, if you haven't booked a time slot yet to come here and play at this place, you're doing yourself a disservice.
You can hear what we're doing, and we're not doing the room justice.
Yeah, I know. We're playing sloppy and we're having a great time.
It's always about having a great time, bro.
But it is live.
It is
It is live, baby. It's not easy.
Nope.
It's not easy being cheesy. Just
Oh, you stole that.
I did steal that from you, bro.
You were great friends.
I felt like you were gonna go there, and
should've known
I
better.
felt like you were gonna grab. I felt that, bro.
You well done. Oh my god.
Oh man, DED dead.
Awesome, guys, man.
All right.
What else
So,
we got, guys?
We do have one more song for you guys. I know that everybody out there has been waiting for it. We're gonna play Big Bad Lion.
Oh
Big bad Ryan.
Big bad lion. Mr. Drummer, you want to look up and say hi? That camera right there, dude.
What's up, Benny?
That's that camera, bro.
Yeah.
Let's see. Where is that camera? Right there. Y'all can see
Benny.
it. Awesome, guys. Well, it's been a pleasure to have you here, guys. I spent it's been awesome, guys. It's been awesome. It's been great.
Likewise.
Likewise.
It's been fun. You know, I do this for
take that
fun,
back.
guys. It's just
There's
been
one
fun.
thing that's missing. I take that back. There's one thing that's missing.
Don't you say it.
I'm gonna say it. He needs to play saxophone with us.
Leave the poor man alone.
No.
He doesn't want to play with you.
I know. Obviously.
No, it's not that. I don't just sit here and look pretty, guys. There's a lot that's happening while
I
I'm
like how you
sitting
say
here.
that and there's no camera on you right now.
No, well, actually, you can't see that there is a camera on me every time I talk. You just can't see it, bro.
I see it.
I'm depriving you from the switches not to distract
Oh,
you.
man. Can't take away from Vinny.
My ADD is kicking in.
Mark is getting in his power stance.
Oh man.
Must get the power stance. All the powers.
You want a camera specifically for your nipple?
Just the top one.
It's there, but it's not.
It's tiny, bro.
It's tiny but cute for Brad that's watching.
Oh, good God.
It's workable. It's workable.
And work related.
And work related.
Oh man, this is great, guys. I'm having a great time. Paula loves y'all, by the way.
And shout out to Larry. This is better than working on your truck, but I will do that tomorrow.
We weren't gonna talk about work.
It's all good, guys.
All right, let's do the thing.
Big Bad Lion. I'm excited to hear this, actually.
Now, for those of you that don't know, this is our story. Hope you guys enjoy. There once was a little lion who was born in the world one day. And though he did not yet know it, oh many irie vibes he would play. He grew up in a big bad world full of hate and anger and greed. Just look at what we can be. I sing we are the big red lion, and feel all the love that we give to you. Man, it's because of you all we're here. We wouldn't do this without you. Man, we sing of peace. We sing of unity. We sing of love. Man, for that's how it should be.
Guys, it was a pleasure to have you here today.
Oh, big love, big love.
Yeah, man. It was a pleasure to have all of y'all here today, guys.
Thank you so much.
Of course, man. Thank you. Thank you for spending your Saturday evening with us, everybody out there on
yeah.
YouTube.
Mama, I love you, 1437. Thank you guys, everybody that chimed in for me and for all of us. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot. It's been a while since we've been away, and we're finally back, and we're taking it by storm. I hope y'all are ready.
That's right, baby. Well, you're doing great, man. Sounds great. Great music. Very peaceful music. I feel like I got smarter.
No, you just chilled out and it made you feel like that.
Really true.
Guys, thank you for watching.
man.
Thank you for watching out there. It's a big pleasure to have. This is our third show today. I am pooped, but I had a great time today, guys.
R&R Studios, hit that subscribe button.
Do that.
Yes,
Do
guys.
the thing.
Subscribe, guys. Help us out. All you watching for the first time, we do this 7 days a week. Every day is a different band, and sometimes 2 or 3 bands in one day. Thank you very much for all the support. We love all of y'all, and we will continue to do this until I'm old and I can't no more. Matt, thank you. Thank you for being here, Matt. Thank you for bringing your band, man.
Thank you for having me, dude. This was a real honor. And I know King Baby's got a gig tonight, but if it wasn't for Diego, I would have never known about this. Big love to King Baby
That's
out
right.
there. I know you're
That's
playing a gig right now. I know you're killing it like always.
Oh man, King Baby is a G, man. Mad love to King Baby.
Mad love to King
Just
Baby.
like he loves his job, I love my job too.
Oh, yeah.
Diego, we love you. All right, guys, all you out there, thank you very much, guys. I'm done for the day. I love the music. I loved it all. I'm gonna have dreams about this music and the drummer too.
Hey,
Right.
let's get a close-up of Vinny.
Yeah, right there, man. He's there. That nipple, bro.
No, man.
That nipple did it for me, bro.
He came all the way from Cali just to show you the nipple.
There was a copyright, not copyright, there was actually like a fine line before watching this video. If you saw my nipple, it's $50 each time you saw it.
Sam, if you're watching, I apologize ahead of time. You have more than capable hands at beating the crap out of him when he gets home.
She didn't need to hear you say that.
We will not stop you.
All right, guys. It was a pleasure. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great evening. We love all of y'all, and we will continue to bring you the hottest music, man. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.